Guys, I sold these two beautiful laptops here for 923 euros on eBay. See, I didn't do anything extraordinary. The only extraordinary thing I did was to ensure that I got out of my house, picked up these computers, haven't seen them on a very responsible local pickup, website, did contact the buyer and set up an arrangement to pick it up, and then brought it home, listed it on eBay, where I was opportune to sell them for a whopping amount of 923 euros, including shipping. These are decent PCs. I'm going to be making sure that the buyer receives them still today. There's a lot of things to be done on this PC. I have to clean them up. Take a look at this place, a little bit of I don't know what this is, maybe some glue or something like that, but this is something I can actually take out. But these are very beautiful PCs, looking in very good condition. Hopefully the buyer of these PCs are going to receive them, is going to be happy and possibly come back again to my shop, because this is exactly what the idea is. The idea is not for you to have a one-off buyer. You want a situation where you can put this thing on rinse and repeat. And sometimes putting it on rinse and repeat would naturally mean that you have to, have a constant supply of this stuff. It took me a little bit of time to pick up these ones, but the best way to put this thing on rinse and repeat is just to look for a supplier, somebody you can easily call up to, and before you know it, you have the item delivered to you at your doorstep. This is what you want to aim to do. And of course, if you are not so sure what marketplace to sell your product, I want to tell you, eBay is pretty much where the action is. This is where everyone that wants to buy, responsible laptops like this is where they look up to buy, because there you get the best price. They don't want this kind of protection. They don't want to spend 923 euros only to be scammed out of their hard-earned money. They want a situation where they are able to go to a marketplace and buy, and when they do not like the item, they are able to actually send it back to wherever they bought it from. And this is what eBay gives to the buyers. And of course, you as a seller, you also enjoy this protection from eBay, given that if a buyer tries to scam you of your hard-earned money, eBay is going to come in and say, no, we're not going to allow that happen. This is a responsible buyer that sells on this platform. And because of that, we want to make sure that this buyer is protected. And this is what I do, in case you are wondering, who is this guy talking to me? And what authority does he have to actually talk to me about, flipping laptops for profit? I've been flipping laptops on eBay for a very long time. If I'm counting correctly, well over 10 years. And I am doing it. I am loving it. I love the process. I love the fact that these items, I do not have to do anything extra to sell them. The only thing I have to ensure is that the item that I am listing are items that people want. And when I have done that, the items are naturally just going to sell, because eBay is going to hold this part of the bargain and ensure that these items are put on, in front of the potential buyer. This is what eBay does for me, and this has been, going very, very smoothly. One thing you also want to ensure is that the items that you sell, if you want to sell items that are expensive, they have to be in very good working condition, not just that the laptop switches on. It has to be able to take care of programs, because people buy this stuff with the intention of installing all manners of softwares, all manners of programs to be able to do their work. And you want to have a laptop that's not going to have a bottleneck to these buyers. Let's say somebody wants to install Windows 11 on his PC. You don't want to sell a laptop that's going to begin to complain and not allow the buyer to do that seamlessly. Otherwise, the buyer is going to have a bad experience and possibly want to send back the stuff to you. What you want to ensure is that you have items that are decent, that are up to date, that are current, that do not have any limitation whatsoever. In terms of the screen, these are full HD displays. This is what people also look for, because they do not want to buy some low resolution, laptops that would put a lot of strain on their eyes, not give them the good, color representation for whatever they are looking at. You want to avoid stuff like that. When you have done that, you have made sure that, every research that you need to make have been made. I'm telling you, every other thing pretty much runs on autopilot, and this is exactly what I am doing here today. I'm going to go ahead and sort this out, make sure they are well cleaned, make sure that the final checks have been done, and in doing that, I will have to plug it on. I have to make sure that the power supply matches the system, and that everything, the keyboard, the backlights, the camera, everything is working. And when that has been done in place, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and ship them off to the buyer. It is what it is. Sometimes while trying to set up these PCs, you might have situations where certain things don't work the way they ought to. Sometimes you might realize that some of the keyboards is not working. They have the trackpad, like on this PC now. For one reason or the other, I've not been able to get the trackpad to work, but I'm still going to keep checking. I kind of imagine that because the PCs are very new and I got them from responsible hands, I see no reason why they shouldn't work. But just that that sometimes you might run into difficulties. What you do in situations like this, do not panic. Most times, the solutions that you will ever need are already documented on the internet. Sometimes when you ask ChatGPT, it tells you exactly what you need to do, and I'm going to query these systems further and hopefully should be able to figure out what exactly is going on right now with this PC. Of course, shipping out these laptops also entails that you have some bit of skills in doing that, because decent hardware like this, you're not going to just put them in a box and send them off packing. You want to ensure that you actively protect them. You could do this by using bubble wraps, packaging papers, good quality cartons, because this is the only way you can actually ensure that these items get shipped out, get delivered without you having to lose money in the process. Of course, you don't want to cut corners when you are doing this. If you want to cut corners, I'm telling you, you are going to sooner or later realize that it makes zero sense to cut corners doing this. So you want to be careful. You want to use good quality packaging materials, and you want to use a responsible shipping service, because this is the only way you can actually have a tracking number for these items, and you can be sure that if you have given these items over to the shipping service, they're going to take it up and deliver it perhaps the next day or at the latest 2 days later. These are the kind of stuff that you want to ensure that you are doing. When you have done all this, you will be making money flipping laptops. Of course, it might take a little while for you to get things really dialed in, and this is the reason why I make all these videos, just to show you the behind the scene of what actually happens when you want to take up selling laptops, computers, monitors for profit. Generally electronics, on eBay, on Facebook Marketplace, on any other website that allows you sell electronics. When you have dialed things in, I'm telling you, things are pretty much going to be on autopilot. You are just going to put the system on rinse and repeat, keep looking out for good deals, buying them from the supplier, bringing them to the platform, listing them. And sometimes the beautiful thing is that if I have sold this item already, I already have the pictures of this item. So the next time I am opportune to get an item like this, I do not have to think of getting new pictures. I'm just going to go to the picture folder, reactivate the listing, make sure everything is up to date, check that the processor, the hard drive, the RAM sticks all are exactly as the offer says, and boom, in less than 20 minutes, I can actually set up a new offer. So this is one benefit. If you are looking at selling identical items like this, you do not have to keep making pictures all day long. One picture can pretty much be enough, and when you do that, you stand the chance of making money, flipping laptops, flipping desktop PCs for profit. Beautiful, everything has proven to work perfectly. The laptop has been, specially packed, prepared for its eventual new home. I want this buyer to be surprised tomorrow. The laptop gets delivered, opens it, everything looking fresh and clean, and the buyer ultimately is going to come back again, possibly give me a positive review. And if in the event that the buyer needs anything like a hardware, say monitor, laptop again, a desktop PC, with this particular item I have sent, the fact that they are in very good condition and the buyer has been highly impressed, I have the conviction that the buyer is going to come back again to my shop and buy something else. This is the idea. This is something you want to have at the back of your mind. You do not want, a one-off transaction. The best thing you can possibly do for yourself is to have a situation where somebody comes back to your shop, to buy stuff. One-off customers are good, but ultimately you want return buyers. If this video has helped you, giving you some insights, please go ahead and smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Until I see you again in the next one. Peace.